The other thing, so we're getting more and more stuff on the dashboard, and there may be things that you just don't care to see, you don't want to see. Maybe certain things are more important than others. Maybe you don't want to see the comment of the day or whatever it is, the whatever. So up here in the upper left-hand corner is the little dashboard logo. Okay. If you click on that, it will bring you up to a way where you can turn on the random quote, turn them off, whatever things you don't want to see. If it's just something that you just don't care about, you can turn them off. You can change the order in which they're displayed in the list and then hit OK. Whenever you do that, then it'll change the way it's displayed in the dashboard. Now, the way it does do its display is it snakes it from left to right, top to bottom. So this is actually number 1. This is actually number 2. Even though number 2 kind of comes down here into this other area, it's actually the second item, third item, fourth item. Okay, so if I come in here and I look at my list, my calendar stats, my tally, my outbox, and my call list, it's doing them in order, but they try to take up in that order. They try to take up as much space as they can on your dashboard as possible.